हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज का डेट है 4 मार्च 2026। ऑरेंज प्लांट्स वी हैव a stock in bulk quantities, around 50,000 plants stock here. You can see very nice plants. If anybody wants, kindly contact with us. Wholesale price, all over India home delivery service available है।